Hi guys! We recently went to Ikea. I have been working on my house for a couple months now, well, a year. We've been living here and we're trying to fix it up so it's our house, and we've done a lot of things to it. It looks completely different in here than it did when we first got it. And it came with a lot of work, and we still have lots more work to do, mainly painting. That makes the biggest impact, is painting, and it's something that's affordable to do. But with that, we needed some affordable storage that also looked nice, and I was able to find that at Ikea. I wish I had gotten a little bit more of things, but we'll go back next year. So I'll just continue my list next year. We went for my birthday trip, and I was able to get a few things. I want to make a little Ikea haul right now. So the first thing that I got was these storage bins. This is hard plastic. It's super thick, and they don't stack, but they have really nice ridge on the front with handles. Very nice hard plastic baskets. Now originally I thought, okay, I'm gonna get these for under sink storage, but then I thought it would look nicer in my kitchen to be cleaner, to put a lot of my spices in them, to hide them on an open shelf that I have. So I like my open shelf. I think it looks really good with the style of kitchen that I have. I actually just painted my countertops, and the countertop turned out wonderful. It looks like a piece of acacia wood, and I have a shelf right behind it that looks just like the same thing, the same type of wood. So it kind of goes into the farmhouse style, and we have the tin tiles and everything, and you can see that now. So this is going to hold spices and other things like that. So you see the pretty and the clean look instead of all of my clutter that goes along with cooking. So the next thing that I have are these little baskets, and they're the same hard plastic. I believe it's melamine. It is super tough, thick, sturdy baskets. I really like them. This has a little off gray on the inside and a white on the outside, and I got these for storage in the bathroom. May use them in the kitchen, I don't know. There is no slots on the bottom, so it would hold water. So maybe I will use this in the kitchen instead. In a visible area, I also thought about putting them in the fridge so I can just slide out my condiments and use my drawer shelves in the fridge for something different. Because when we go out to eat outside and we have a barbecue, we take like 4 or 5 bottles of condiments with us. So I thought maybe if I just took this whole thing when we go out to eat, it would be so much easier, and then I could put the knives and the forks in this as well and just take it outside, so it's a lot easier. So the next thing I got, we had these in Israel, and I really like these. So you have the suction cups right here, they go here, they stick to the wall, and they have holes on the bottom for drainage. I got 2 of these. These are super affordable, and I think if you're going to be doing some organizing for like inside the bath, this is great. I have several different products for me and my daughter. So she has very long hair, and we take care of our hair with different products. I am trying to grow my hair, and she's trying to condition hers. So we have different products. I want to keep them separate and together.
Why, kitty?
Okay, now this is something I really like. This is some sleek storage, and it stacks on top of each other. Now, this is not a tight fitting lid, but you will see this is a tray. So using this as a get ready container and taking it off like that, super wonderful. This is gonna go into the bathroom, and I needed this for storage in the bathroom. It looks great. I love it, and it's gonna look really good back behind my toilet, and it'll match really nicely. Super useful. And it came in a 3-pack, 1 long and 2 of these that fit right on top of it. This right here. Now I have a video of my kids actually building one each of these shelves. This is a little shelf that you could put anything on. Most people buy the spice containers to put on the racks, and I have done that here. I think it looks really, really good, but some people have stacked them together to hold books or other toys for their kids on a wall to save a lot of space. And I think that looks good as well. I am still undecided what I want to do with these, but I bought 2 of them. I'm really thinking about giving this to my daughter for her to play with her dollhouse. And this will be fun to put together. Okay, now I bought 2 sets of these spice jars. See how shiny they are? They're very pretty. When you see them on a wall, like you just saw, they're really pretty. It makes a nice little focal point, something to look at in the kitchen that's useful and pretty. And this may go on the shelf if I choose to do that. I'm really thinking of giving the shelves to my daughter though. So if I don't use that, I will put them in the tray and use them that way. But I needed some more spice jars because I don't like looking at regular spice bottles. I think these are much prettier and they look better in my kitchen.
For like half a second.
Did you do that?
Nope. No, they're all like that.
What the heck? Oh, Abigail.
Oh.
You
have a daughter.
I found this in the as-is department, and it's one of the best buys that I've gotten in a long time. It was only $1, and it hangs off of a rail, which I couldn't find at Ikea. I'm sure they have them because they had them in Israel. It was a very big thing. I know they have them. I just didn't find it. It's such a huge store. You're walking so much. We were so tired. I didn't see it. I know it's there. But it hangs off of a rail. It can hang off of any rail. It can hang off of screws if you want to put screws up. So this is the metal tray right here. This is very thick and very heavy duty, and it was only $1. I'm sure the original price of it is probably like $15, but I got this just for $1.
But what is it for?
Oh, you hang stuff on it and you put stuff on it. It's like a little shelf. I needed some greenery. I have not had any luck. Well, I found a couple of pieces, 2 pieces at Goodwill. Really pretty. They were a great deal. They were inexpensive. But I haven't found any luck finding like little potted plants. And I actually went out to get 4 of these, 4 different ones, but I only came back with 1 because I have a hard time like spending full price on something. But this was only, it was either $3.99 or $4.99, which is good for a potted plant if you look at other stores, which are $15 to start for a little plant like this. This was 79 cents. So you put the 2 together and you have a nice little plant to go anywhere, and green adds a lot to a space. So I really like stuff like this. So my next item was these black organizers, and they come flat in a pack. You zip them up, I'll show you. And these go inside of a drawer to hold different things, underwear, socks, bathing suits, things like that. This was actually on sale for the 4th of July sale. They come in like 5 different sizes in one pack, I believe. This is the biggest one. And you get, this is another oblong one. And you get a square. So I usually put underwear or socks in there for the kids. And this is very handy. Now during the 4th of July sale, which ends on July 5th, they have this for $2.99 for a set of 5. And I thought that was really good, but it's only in the black color. The other colors I believe are $3.99 or $4.99. But it's still a good deal. These have plastic on the inside of them, so they're not just paper boxes, because I was like, why don't you use a cardboard box? Cardboard boxes, a lot of bugs like to eat and are attracted to the glues that are in cardboard. So it's better to get something like this. Silverfish are attracted to cardboard. These are plastic on the inside. So I believe this is a better deal than using cardboard boxes. And it holds all of your stuff in very nicely and organizes it. And that's what we want. We want to put our clothes away and not have to deal with them the next day because they're all over the place, especially for our kids. They're putting their clothes away and they need something that's an easy system, and that's what we're trying to make for them. So everybody can have it easy when they're doing their chores and cleaning the house.
Okay, so this next item called Lurvig, it is, can you guess what it is? It's a cat box, and it fits in one of those cubbies for like the Calyx, what used to be called the Expedit, but any kind of cubby it fits directly into. Now you'll get it in like a flat pack and you'll have to open it, and it has a zipper on the bottom. It also comes with a solid floor for the cat. So this is a hidden zipper. It doesn't have an attachment to it, so you just have to slide it up with your finger, and it won't accidentally or on purposely come undone. I thought this was so cute. It's in a dusky pink color. So you just put the flooring down, and I also bought a dusky pink pillow because they were out of the pet pillows, but this was just a regular dusky pink pillow. It's actually for a couch, but it fit just the same. It's nice and soft, and it should be easy to clean for the kitty. So let's see if she approves of this. Come here, kitty. Get in here. Look here.
So this is Kitty's box.
Wait, I gotta have the hole open. Put the hole on the outside.
And are you making it a challenge, like the cat can fall instead of just jumping and going in?
We'll have to see if she's using it. Go, kitty! Confused kitty is confused. Confused kitty. This box was only $4.99. You believe that?
Let me see the cat.
That's that's cheaper than the regular boxes without a hole, and this is a specialty box.
Okay, so thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Have a good day. Take care.
Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.